Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2019 JLG 460SJ. This is going to be a straight jib boom machine, very popular model machine. This is a 2019. It is an actual year model 2019. And what I mean by that, this is not a refurb or repaint or reborn, whatever terminology you want to use there. So these come out of a JLG dealer I do business with, buy a good many every year off of him. Very nice machines out of their fleet, and they are very well equipped. So this is a 2019. This unit has 3,241 hours on it. It is a very straight, very clean lift. It has the following options on it. It does have SkyPower, but this does have the bigger generator. So I did run the generator model number. It is a 7,500 watt generator. This has a SkyGlazer Kit, which is the front part on the basket. The other big thing with these lifts, this does have what is called a SkyWelder system on it. So that's why it has the bigger generator. This does have a Miller-matic stick welder on it from Miller. Basically, plug is already up in the basket, which I'm going to show you here in a second. It does come with a set of leads, welder bracket, everything is there and set up on the machine. We actually have it set up for pictures so you can see it. We will power up the welder. Yes, the welder does work. I have a bunch of these going to be coming up for sale, and they're all going to be the exact same specs. This unit does have the Deutz 2.9 L4 four-cylinder diesel engine. Starts and runs excellent. Keep in mind, this machine is all original paint. It is not a machine that has been touched up or painted. Does have the foam-filled tires on it. All four tires matched. They're all going to be right around 85%. Boom paint's original. The machine itself, I did choose on these two units. We did put a brand new basket. I have two coming up here right now. The baskets themselves, there was not damage as in structural. The bottom wire mesh was coming loose, and the side little kick guards, they were bent. They get that way. I spent the $2,000 and I put a brand new basket on them. And I did that because I want my stuff to be right. There's a lot of guys out there, but oh, why would you do that? For me, it's about the inspection process. I don't want any problems. This lift will be inspected before it is sold. That's how we've been doing that with these lifts. We have a local company that does independent annual inspections. I have him come out. Somebody goes to buy this machine. We will go ahead, have it inspected before it is sold, and that way it is done. One other option this has, it does have SkyGuard on it, which is a nice option. It's a safety. And to clarify on that inspection real quick, going back to that, if the lift would need anything that we missed in our service, yes, it would be taken care of. So we're going to start here underneath the engine compartment. We're going to take you completely around this lift. So under the engine compartment, again, Deutz 2.9 liter L4. There is no regen on these machines. They use what's called a Degs muffler. Very reliable. We've owned a lot of these. You will see here, 3,241 hours, MSC, stands for Mark Supply Company. We bought a factory filter kit from JLG, which was very, very handy. Engine, fuel, there's another fuel filter, pilot, hydraulic filter in a tank. It comes as a kit. That was very, very nice to be able to do that, and it was taken care of that way. And done. There's no questions asked, but there again, we'll still have people think that we didn't service stuff, but we do this work. It's what we pride ourselves in doing. This particular unit, much like every other JLG, this does have a swing out engine. You can unbolt back there. This engine will swing out to get yourself to the back side, which is very nice. Swing gear is up here. You can see very nice shape. Locking pin. Obviously there's no oil leaks. You do have front oscillating axle. This is a four-wheel drive boom lift. You can see the counterweight's in nice shape. A couple little scuffs. Under this panel, and this is landing where people will say I said there was no leaks. We do have a leak here on this O-ring at the sight gauge. It is on order from JLG. It is due in here tomorrow. It will be replaced, and that will be taken care of, and also the inspection then will be done, like we said, once it is sold. 3,241 MSC, tank filter and a breather filter. Actually, breather filter's up here. And it is in and new. Control valve over here. Everything here is nice and dry. Fuel tank, backup arm, data port. I'm going to show you here on the ground control side, 32 42 on the hours. We have no error codes. And we'll start it here so you can see that there's no error codes whenever the machine's running. If you come on up to the boom, you're going to see the track is all in very nice shape. The track in which your hoses run. There's no leaks on any of the cylinders. Boom pads are all in very, very nice condition. Obviously, this is a jib boom machine. It does have a swivel, obviously, on the basket. Again, Miller CST 280 stick welder comes with the machine. Does have a set of approximately 14-foot leads with ground and stinger. Does have a cable wrap on it. This one was the only one I had that had the cable wrap option. Put a brand new fire extinguisher on it. The mount was there, fire extinguisher was missing. We did put the brand new fire extinguisher in and that was done. You can see the control box. All new decals on it. There again, we like to prepare stuff so that it's right for the inspections. This is a side entry basket. Again, up front here, that is called your SkyGlazer Kit. And this up here would be called your SkyPower. So SkyPower, whenever you would press on that, it's going to cut the controls out. So guys, there is a quick walk around. Now what we're going to do, I'm going to go ahead, Landon, get us a close up here of this serial number on this machine so we keep these videos separated out good. Again, 2019. Guys, we're going to fire this lift up. I'm going to show you that the ground controls work. Landon will stay back here so you can see everything works. And then I will shut the machine down, go to platform. We'll show you that the SkyPower works. We're going to turn that welder on so you can see that. Here we go. All right, guys, so you can hear me here. We're going to show you boom up. Show you boom down. We're going to go ahead and show you the jib. Jib back down. Basket. Level for the basket. Then we're going to have our telescope. Then obviously we're going to have rotation. Boom back down. Shut the emergency off, and I'm going to go ahead and flip everything up here to platform controls. Landon, once I start this up here, I'll have you walk around and turn the welder on. Everybody can see that. I am in my operator's platform. I'm going to go ahead and start the machine from up here. We're going to go ahead and turn the generator set on. There's a switch right here. And we're going to go ahead and power up that welder. Take a second for it to kick on. You do have right in here 2 110 outlets, GFCI breaker. So if you do want to run some type of power tool up here, you can. You will see the on light is on. And again, this is a Miller CST 280. Stinger and ground clamp is here. When you're done with that welder, you can simply shut him off. You can simply remove those, unplug it, lay it up. Very nice option to have. Guys, now the part of this video, I'm going to fire that. It's running, obviously. I'm going to go ahead. We're going to run it around. We're going to show you it does everything it's supposed to do. Here we go. So this being a jib style machine versus a straight boom machines are almost becoming a dead technology in my opinion. You're not seeing as many of those anymore. Everybody wants the jib style machine, which you can see here right now why. I can get myself in a lot of very odd angles with this machine, which is very nice. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and telly out a little bit. What my purpose here of these videos is to show you that a machine does everything it is supposed to do. That is why we will take the time here and we will do a 360-degree rotation of the turntable. We're going to drive it from up here to show you that everything drives. A lot of guys aren't going to show you that kind of stuff. I'm a true believer in what we do. At least it's been successful for us in our business. To do these videos, we've shipped stuff successfully all over the country. We don't have problems, and there again, it's because we do go through our stuff. And if we do ever have an issue, it is something that was truthfully overlooked, and we will make that right with a customer. But there's a lot of guys out there today that don't do any of that kind of stuff, and let's just face it, it's how it is. So what I'm doing here right now, I'm just going to bring this jib down. I want to show you here kind of the truth of how these lifts will work. So you can kind of see with that rotation like that, I can get myself in a very odd angle here, okay? And I can boom myself out. I can bring myself back in. And you can kind of get for the gist from that what all you can do with this lift. Very, very slick setup. In a 460, very popular machine. Sold several of these last year. I like the 460, and it's truthfully because of mobility. The 460 is easily moved. I can haul one of these on my tandem rollback. Obviously, I can even haul it on my gooseneck. They weigh 16,600 pounds. We are in high range, high throttle here. The big thing with these lifts, again, it's the ease of moving them around, okay? Now, we're gonna go here to Turtle. And what it's gonna do in Turtle, this is basically high speed, low throttle, okay? Now, what we'll do, I'm switching over to high torque, which is basically if you're climbing up on an incline and you need that power, it is going to cut that engine, or it's going to cut the speed down, but it's going to basically bring your engine RPMs up. So you can see that it's working in all of its functions like that. One thing I told you I would do, I'll go ahead and lift up. This also does have a fine tune in here. I can put this thing into snail mode, and now I'm in snail mode and it's lifting the boom really slow. Then I can, about halfway up, I can then go all turtle or all rabbit there. Let me swing over here once. Now I do want to show you, the lift is going to drive from up here when I'm up in the air and swung, okay? You can see how it basically puts you into turtle mode when you're doing that. That's what you want the lift to do. That function's working the way it's supposed to. So keep in mind, you can take this, put this into turtle, and it's going to bring you down nice and slow. I'm just running it in the rabbit mode just because we're doing video purposes here. So keep that in mind. Now, whenever you set a jib back down, there again, I put the boom back down in the pocket. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to bring my jib down. I like to store these machines this way. Everybody does something different. So, we're going to go ahead and square our basket up. And then we're going to go ahead and set ourselves down. So guys, there it is. Everything works on this lift the way it's supposed to. There's your horn. Again, We have all of our functions here work the way it's supposed to. I've illustrated that all to you. There again, one other thing I will show you real quick. I will shut the machine off by the emergency stop. I will go ahead and I will restart this machine from right here in the platform. It will go through its startup procedure. And we're running. We have no error codes over here in the dash. Very nice lift. Again, generator, I'll reactivate it. SkyPower. So there it is. Guys, I can't be any more honest than I have been. There are so many people out there today. Let's face it, there's a lot of guys out there today in the equipment world that are crooks. That's common knowledge. I guess people have to understand today when a guy like myself, Landon, what are we into this? 14 minutes now? Probably close. You know, a guy like myself, I could be sitting in the office. It's 26 degrees here right now. I could be sitting in my office dreaming about ways to scam somebody, I guess. I don't even want to say it that way, but it's rude. But we're out here making a 15-minute video about a lift to tell you the truth of what it is, where other people, they're not going to come out here and do this. And I didn't look this morning when I uploaded the photos, but I'm going to say I took somewhere in the neighborhood of 100+ photos of this machine. Again, Mark Supply Company does pride ourselves on doing service work. I call it the way it is. There's a lot of guys that don't like that, but I'm just being very honest. We've serviced it. We went through it. And I don't mean to ramble. I'm just being very honest here again. I think it's the best way to be. But if I felt this machine had an issue, it would go to an auction sale. Now, as far as the hours on this machine here, 3,200 hours. It is very clean. It is very straight. You see a lot of these with 5,000 to 6,000 hours on them. It's very true. The hours to me mean nothing. It's all about condition. And if you look at the boom pads, this is just a very, very nice straight machine. Guys, if you have any questions whatsoever, 814-658-3066. What we are going to do with the welders, they will be tagged. They will be serial numbered to the unit that you're getting. And yes, they will be stored inside, just where we've kept them. Each lift, if we're shipping a lift to somebody, the welder itself will be bagged in a sealed plastic bag, and it will be given to the truck driver to put in their truck. Will be not left out in the elements. We're not going to do that to somebody. Again, if you have any questions on this lift, 2019 JLG 460SJ, 3,241 hours. Brand new 8-foot by 36-inch platform, side entry basket, SkyGuard, SkyPower, SkyGlazer, SkyWelder kit. Guys, a very nice machine, and I've done my research. The majority of the welders out there, the majority of the lifts out there, what I'm asking for this lift, the lifts that are out there priced the same, have none of those options. They're bare bones 460s. So guys, if you got any questions, 814-658-3066. Ask for Nick or Landon. We'll be glad to help you guys out. And as always, thank you very much for checking out Mark's Supply Company. Have a great day.